In this video, I'll go over arrow functions. Arrow functions are a shorter syntax for writing function expressions. Basically, you write the parameters in parentheses followed by the arrow, and then in curly braces, you write the code you want to run for your function. So I'll create a variable called myfunc, and then set it equal to a arrow function. So first, I'll create a parentheses and then put in p1 and p2 as my parameters, and then you write the arrow, which is the equal sign followed by the greater than sign, and then inside this curly braces you write the function body. So I'll be returning the result of p1 plus p2. So my func is basically an addition function, and then I'll print out the result of the function. So I'll call my func and then supply it 3 and 4, so it should return 7. So if you save this, you should see 7 being displayed in your browser. As you can see, it displayed the expected result. If you have a single parameter, then you can omit this parentheses. So for example, you can just write the arrow function like this, and then I'll just return the result of p1 plus 10. So for a single parameter, the parentheses are not required. I'll send 9, and then it should do 9 plus 10, which is 19. So if you save this and open in your browser, you should see 19. As you can see here. Also note that a function that has no parameters, for example, if I were to call my function like this and did not require any parameters to be passed, then I should write like this with empty parentheses. So here I'll just return 10, and if you open this in your browser again, you should see 10, as you can see here. Also note that if an expression is the body of a function, then you don't need the braces. So in the previous example, I had passed into values. I had p1 and p2, and then I had the return value like this, p1 plus p2. So if I only had expression like if I write p1 plus p2, I don't really need to have the return and the curly braces here. So this should work as well and give the same results as the previous example. So in this case, it will return 7 when I call my func and supply it 3 and 4. So if you save this and open your browser, you should see 7. As you can see here. That's pretty much it for arrow functions. If you have any questions or comments, do leave a comment below. If you like this video, then remember to subscribe. Thank you.